Ka pū te ruha, ka hao te rakatahi.
Aotearoa Kai is the name of our business, and we just sell kaimoana. It's just me and my mum, and we're just trying to provide a lot of affordable prices for food that people necessarily can't afford.
Ko kākau mai tētahi huka rakatahi ki te whakarewa Pākihi hoko kaimoana mā te ipuraki. Heure nei rakatahi no Kāi Tahu no te marae o Tūwhitia.
Me and my mum run Christchurch area, and then we have my little cousin, her name's Alia Mortimer, who runs Twizel down. And then we have my other cousin over in Australia, who hopefully we're going to be setting up Australia soon, Sheldon Pitama. Right now we're just selling Chatham Island blue cod. Over the last week we've brought in kinners, and then Monday last week we also brought in oysters.
E hao ana e nei rakatahi I te ao matihiko.
I set up a page, Aotearoa Kai, on Facebook, and from there we just invited people to come and like it. And to be honest, at the start of it we actually didn't even share our page. We had people find out about it, and they were sharing our page to different pages, and that's basically how we got our following. We just go into Aotearoa Kai on Facebook, send us a message. We have a bunch of automated messages on there. So, do you live in Twizel? Do you live in Christchurch? Where do you live? And then it moves on to what would you like to buy. So, would you like to buy a punnet of oysters, kinners, 2, 3, 5 kg packs? And then from there, we'll also ask you for an email, so then I can send you an invoice. And then every Tuesday, me and my dad will then go pick it up from the airport, and we'll deliver it right to your doorstep.
E pāhau te ana te tauhoko matihiko ki Aotearoa. E ai ki kā rakahau, e tatatu ana ki te rahi o te 5 piriona tāra, te wāri o te ao tauhoko matihiko. Kai te tipu pai tēnei wāhaka o te ōhaka. Wai hoki e tino whai hua ana I naenei I tēnei wā o te noho puku. E tino tautoko tia ana ka mahi ai nei rakatahi e rino tiri kātene, mākai mo te taitoka, rāua tahi kolisa tumahai kai whakahaere o te rūnanga o Kāi Tahu.
People really just wanting the taste of their Chatham Islands, I guess. As long as the family's all right, I'm happy. You know, as long as it's not denting their wallets, I'm also happy as well, you know.
E hao e te rakatahi, e hao. Henare Te Aika-Puanaki, Tahu News.